Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love having you guys with me. And today I'm coming at you with a quick review video. I know, don't look at the makeup because I filmed this tutorial earlier, but right now this is going to be a review video for Lashfood. Well, they're supposed to be brush-on lash extensions in a bottle. And we're going to see if they work. So I'm going to take it all off and put on this and see if I can get a glamorous look. So I just decided to do this video. I was in Ulta browsing around and I came across this and I was like, if this actually works, that would be fabulous. Because right now I'm wearing I can't talk today, guys. I'm wearing Ardell lashes. And if this actually works, I won't have to apply these lashes anymore, and that would be fabulous, right? Now, this cost about $30, which is pretty steep. Yes, so it better work. Else I want my money back. Okay, guys. Anyways, stick around to see if these work or not. We're going to make it quick, easy, and fun, okay? So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss out on any of the stuff I have planned. And that's it, okay? So let's see if this is a yay or a nay. Okay, guys, so I got my custom Kim bun in my hair. I took off all the glitters from my eyes. You might see a few scattered around here, but I was deciding whether I should test this mascara with eyeliner or without eyeliner, and I decided to go and do one eye with and one eye without eyeliner. That way we can get a good idea. I normally always wear eyeliner unless I'm in a rush. So I figured I might as well do both. I already curled my lashes. My lashes do not hold a curl very well, so that takes a lot of time. Everything takes a lot of time for me. I'm really kind of slow, but anyway, yeah, so I already curled my lashes. I lined this eye. I didn't line that eye. And now we're going to try Lashfood. Yay! Step 1 looks like that. These are the fibers that are supposed to make your hairs look so. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in on my eyes. Whoa, that's close. Now it says on the packaging you can apply the fibers, let them dry, and then apply another layer depending on how long and fabulous you want the lashes to be. The fibers are not sticking. It's like really taking a lot of work. Oh wait, I do see them sticking to the ends. Okay, so let's say that's layer number 1. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there's like little white fibers on the ends of my lashes. Might be hard to see, but I kind of don't feel like these fibers are sticking very good. Oh wow. Ooh. Ooh. There's like clumps. Whoa. Step 2 is the mascara. That looks like this, and it's very cool, I have to say. I don't know if you guys can see, but this wand has like a comb on one end and a brush on the other end. So you can brush the mascara in while you comb. So let's try that. And I'm just pretending I'm applying regular mascara. How come the picture on the packaging always looks fabulous? It's very deceptive. Okay, so now let's do the other eye, just so we can get a good idea. This is the eye with Lashfood, and this is the eye with nothing. Now I do have eyeliner on this eye, and I'm gonna apply it to the other eye now. Okay guys, so my final review, it's not gonna be good. I'm sorry, I want this to be good so bad. I could really use this product, but honestly, the fibers, they were clumpy, they kept falling into my eye. They wouldn't stick to my lashes. I don't know, maybe it's old. Is there an expiration date on this? I do like the dual brush, the comb brush, so you can comb through your lashes. That's really cool. For the price, I would not buy this again. I think, unless I'm doing something wrong, which I don't know. Yeah, this doesn't look much different to me than a regular mascara. I expected like like it was gonna look like, fake eyelashes or something. I'm not impressed. I would give this maybe 7 out of 10, and that's being nice. The best thing about it is the brush. The worst thing about it is that the fibers don't stick to your lashes, and that they end up clumpy and in your eye, and then your eye starts watering and all your makeup is a mess, and that's all bad. So for the price, I'd say get a tube of another mascara that's really, really good too. I'm not going to name any brands, just watch my videos, you'll see. But yeah, this unfortunately I have to say is a nay. For the record, I am not getting paid by anyone to make this video. It's my own opinion. Maybe you use it and maybe on your lashes it works fabulous. Maybe you've had a great experience with it. Let me know below. I would love to know. But yeah, for me, no. I hope you guys appreciate my honesty. And yeah, I don't want you to waste your money. So I'm about to return this. Here I come. But anyway, guys, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And I can't wait to see what I have planned for my next video. It's going to be outrageous. But bye.